So the boy and I are on our way up to Abington.
Right, and then right turn.
There goes Gypsy, interrupting as usual. It took me 3 days to find a U-Haul truck. I need something that I can haul some of the furniture that are hand-me-downs. And that happens to be all located all around.
At the end of the road.
Oh my God, shut up, Gypsy. That happens to be located all around southeastern Massachusetts. So anyway, like I said, it took 3 days for me to find a truck big enough for what I needed. In addition, I needed a trailer so that I could tow my truck up to the place, and I need a way to get back here when I'm all done. All right, well, we got everything loaded up, and I'm just putting the safety chains down on the truck. This is bringing back memories from when I used to be a tow truck driver. And here, pal, hold the camera.
I'll be your cameraman.
All right, the boy's learning basically a little bit about towing safety. We already put the emergency brake on. She's all strapped down. And here, buddy. What we're going to do is wrap this around the control arm for now. And all this is for is to make sure that if these straps break.
Wait, the camera is 19% battery.
That's good. All right, now she's all up and loaded. She should be safe, and hopefully I don't lose the truck on my way anywhere. What do you think, pal? All right, get your drink, hop in the truck. Oh, this ought to be fun.
Yep.
I dropped the trailer off back at my house, and so the truck's still on the trailer. We'll use less gas that way to go around collecting all the furniture and everything I've got to get. We already put his bed stuff in the back, and now we're back on the road to go get the rest of the stuff. Boy, this truck handles a lot better without that trailer on the back. Still rides like a piece of crap, but much better. So the truck's loaded up, and I'm in Boston now. It's about let's see, 7 o'clock, and so that's good. There's a lot different driving in one of these than it is in my smaller pickup. Haven't done one of these in probably 35 years. Having fun. Well, I made it to New Hampshire anyway. It's 8 o'clock. It's a long ride in one of these things. And, well, the good news is the truck's still there. I could see the trailer on the way up, but I wasn't sure the truck was still on it. Actually, I was. Truck handles it. This thing handles like crap with that thing on the back. All right, on to our next leg. All right, so I made it to Gardner. It's 10 after 6. No, yeah, right. It's 6 after 10. Almost feel like a trucker here. I got to park where all the truck drivers park. And, we have somebody over here camping out in their car. Kind of cold out for that. I just started the truck. I'm freezing just walking from here to the door and back. Let's go to the bathroom. All right, we're on the final leg. Next time I check in, I'll be at the house. Well, I got the truck turned around. I did a 62,000 turn in the driveway. I didn't trust my backing skills to go into the garage, rather into the driveway from the road. I pulled straight in last night because it was too dark and I wasn't going to chance backing it up. I probably could have backed it out to the road and then backed it back in. Okay, I was lying. It wasn't 62 points. It was more like maybe 3. Maybe 5. But I had to disconnect that trailer so I could unload the truck. Truck's all unloaded. I was about to go back, bring it back today. It's Sunday, and I can drop it off, but there's nobody there. And I don't trust dropping things off when there's no one there to verify that I dropped it off. Today I'm bringing the truck back. I was going to bring it back yesterday, but there's going to be nobody there. And I don't like leaving things that I rent without somebody there to check in. Had everything unloaded yesterday, and as soon as I got it unloaded, I thought maybe I'll just take the truck back. But when I checked online, they weren't going to be there. It's only Monday through Friday. So now I'm back in my own truck. What a difference. Just breathe on the steering wheel on this truck, and I'm already across half the road. Okay, so today is voting day. I'm up in Maine, and the movers just came by. They left about a couple of hours ago, and that was exhausting, so I decided to have a couple of cold ones here. And now I have to go and put everything together. They got most everything put in the rooms that, you know, where they were supposed to go. At least I think we did. I'm not sure. I had a point to where everything had to go. If only I could just point and decide, you know, make everything go together. Anyway, come on in. And this is what I'm looking at now. Yeah, this ought to be fun. This was put together, and now I gotta find a place for everything. And thought we were gonna end up having to use the big bathroom, but we only ended up putting one item in here. We'll get the master bedroom all put together, and then there's the living room right here. I just got to find the glass for the tables, and that corner TV stand. There's a bigger one. I'm not sure if it'll fit in that corner or not. I'm kind of thinking that little one would look good there, but that's what we got going on right now. Okay, it's done. I removed the tag. Don't tell anyone. And no, I didn't make the bed. Sue me. Okay, it's morning. I'd say good morning, but anyway, this is about 2 cords of firewood. And I've got like 2 more trailers coming. My goal is to try and see if I can't get at least half of this, if not all of it, into the basement before they come back with the next truckload. Fun. So this is my problem. I have to back this thing in here, and I don't have much room. The septic system is somewhere in here, and I'm trying to be careful not to actually run over that. So I have a very little window of opportunity to work in here, and so I can only get about roughly a quarter of a cord in the back of this truck, and we're just dumping it down in there for now. Between what I got down there and what I got here, I'm almost up to a half cord of wood that I've already moved. If you look at the pile, it doesn't even look like I even made a dent. I need a bigger gate than that. I got one out back behind the shed, but that's not going in probably till next spring. That gate there is not big enough to get my truck through, so I had to actually take part of the fence down, which means I got to put it back up. That's great. I'm kind of trying to race to see if I can beat him before he gets back with the other 2 truckloads. Anyway, like I said, it doesn't even appear that I've even made a dent to this damn pile. But we're getting there, little by little. That, probably about a cord of wood, maybe a cord and a half, I'm not sure. I'm gonna stop there and start stacking in the garage. And later on tonight, I'll probably just stack some firewood while the fire's going, and I won't be so cold. Not that it's that bad, actually. I'm kind of warm from doing this. Oh, you know what? I gotta close the bulkhead. So it looks like the bulkhead was partying too much last night, and it just puked itself a bunch of firewood. Oh well. I gotta get that all stacked. Let me take you for a little walk here. I'm gonna go show you what I've been doing all day. I still have, I think, about another 2.5 cords of firewood. All total, I've probably stacked about 2.5 cords, and we've got about 5 cords all total. This wood's not that great. The other stuff I had was burning much better, but I did manage to get this stuff to burn. I think it's not quite as seasoned as I would like, but what are you gonna do? You know, you order firewood this late in the season, you get what you get. But at least I do have firewood for the winter. And this is what we got in the basement now. Not the basement, but the garage. And I plan on stacking it all the way up to the top, all the way around. And what you're seeing right here is probably, that's roughly, I would say, 1.5 cords, almost, yeah, about 1.5 cords of firewood. When I get it all stacked to the top, it will definitely be at least 1.5 cords. I probably could stack more in here, but I'm not going to do that because what I got downstairs in the basement, as you saw, I think that's probably a little more than 1/2 cord, maybe 3/4. I'm going to have to stack some more down there because I'm pretty sure that the bins down there hold close to 1.5 cords, maybe 2 cords. And the remaining wood will just go out in the shed. So this is what we got. A lot of work for a 62-year-old guy.